YouTube, welcome back TikTok, welcome back all you haters. I'm here to call some shit out, but before I do that, I just want to let you know what it is. Welcome back to Marantz Rantz. Plenty of good information, a little bit of motivation, whole lot of truth, no financial advice. They're trying to tell me GameStop is about to buy Bitcoin. Get your shit out of here. Get your shit out of here. And it's not that I don't agree or I do agree, I don't. You know what, guys? I agree with fundamentals. I don't read my business news in tweets and Twitter. That's not the way I roll. I saw the picture last night. It's just a picture. Let me tell you about a picture. I've taken a lot of pictures. Doesn't mean I'm doing business with people. Just means I took a picture. You should see me out there. Shit, I took a picture with my bro. And guess what? I don't call him no more. Anyway, this is what we're doing? Speculation? Bullshit. You know what I'm speculating? I'm speculating the top of the market. I'm looking at all these other stocks. I don't care if it's 10 o'clock at night on a Saturday. Oh, when people going to bed? My bad, Amber. My bad, but thank you for the tariff there. I put tariffs on the chat like I'm Donald Trump. Know where you're at, guys. You're here. Kevin Malone has been hanging around snakes. No surprise, he's one himself. Let me tell you something about Kevin Malone. All right, if you guys don't know who he is, don't worry. Neither does anybody else. But he's some dude out here on Twitter who follows me. Hey, by the way, Andrew Tate follows me, bro. Bill Pulte follows me. He's on the cabinet. I got plenty of people who follow me on Twitter. You think I give a shit about a follow? Or what? I follow you? No. Hey, DM me later, Kevin Malone. The dick riders, listen to me. And I'll say it very nicely, okay? Let me be more politically correct. I'm so sorry. Let me be professional for a second. The dick riders, when it comes to GameStop, are dudes like Kevin Malone. Oh, Ryan, you need to file your 13D now. You guys need to do. You guys are in violation. You're gonna get fined $500,000 if you don't. Shut your ass up, Kevin. You don't know anything you're talking about, kid. You don't have a goddamn clue. Here, I'll help you, Mr. You Know It All. Are we within 45 days of earnings? I'm just curious. Is this a blackout window? Somebody's got to help me out here with that math. Oh, I hope you have better math. Have you ever read the prospectus, the actual bylaws for GameStop? You're an investor, right? You're a professional. Did you read the bylaws? Or am I the only fucking one in this chat? Am I the only dude who actually reads the bylaws for the investments he makes? I'm asking. Rhetorical questions. Hi, I'm Marantz Rantz. I'm the dude that studies this shit. I'm the guy who actually does the due diligence that makes over, 4,000 videos online while you're sitting there tweeting for reactions. I don't know. What are you doing? Twitter engagement shit? Let me do a Spaces call. Don't worry. Ryan's not calling, bro. Ryan is a multi-billionaire. Nat Turner has invested into over 200 angel investments in his lifetime. But they need your advice. They need your expertise. My bad, bro. Thank you for supporting the channel the way you do. I couldn't buy a share today. Einstein, I appreciate you, bro. Don't worry. $1 to the show is not $1 wasted. We know what I do. We know what we do. Talk to the wife about going to the Grand Canyon on Saturday. Next Saturday. For Valentine's Day. First thing I did to my wife today. Hey, all you fellas out there, I'm going to put you up on some game. Put you up on some game because I know you guys don't know how I do it. How I equilibrium this whole shit. The balance I have in life. Well, that's right. I'm 10 o'clock at night on a Saturday. Hey, you know what you do? It's Valentine's Day, guys. Coming up. Friday. I told my wife in front of all of her family today. We were at a party. And I told her in front of everybody. Excuse me. Can I have everyone's attention, please? I need to ask my wife a question. And everybody's like, oh, he's going to ask her to marry him again. No, we're together 18 years. We're good. I said, hey, babe, will you be my Valentine? Shit, you should have seen her, bro. She was right there. You were like, oh, my God. Yeah. You still need to ask your girl that shit, players. Hey, all you guys out there, take notes right now. Go see your girl tomorrow, whatever. I don't care. But, hey, mama, will you be my Valentine? Bro, that right there, just asking that question, whoo, shit. Get ready. I'm still going to collect. The show ain't over. But you know what? When I asked that, I got excited, bros. And then the theme music hit, and I was like, yo, this is wild. Swear to God.
What's that on that beat?
Party in the backyard. Shawty got the black bra showing. Tatted up, ass fat enough. She a bad bitch and she already know it. Yeah, she know it. Yeah, she know it. Yeah, she know it.
Hey, listen.
She a bad bitch and she already know it. Yeah, she know it. Yeah, she know it.
She a bad bitch and she already know it. Yes, she know it. Welcome back. Like I said, there I was having a good night. Ask your girl, bro. Just walk up and go, mama, you want to be my Valentine? Woo, shit. And if you're like my dad and you say Valentine's, I'm jumping off the truck. I'm jumping out of here. My pop says Southmore, Valentine's. He puts an S on the back of everything. Hey, are you going to Costco's? What? I'm not going to two of them, Pops. I'm going to one. I can't. Anyway, love that man, too. I went and saw my Pops today. It was a good day today so far. It really was. You know, I was actually, before we talk about all this finance stuff, okay, and shocker, shocker to Doge. Hey, Doge, how you doing? The Department of Government Efficiency. Hey, these guys are 20-something years old. These guys are 22. They're getting my social. Who gives a bro, they can have it. They can have that and my bank account. I ain't got nothing in there. What do I have? What can they take? What can they do? The government has my info. You think I trust the fucking government? I saw what they did to JFK. Don't worry, the news is coming out with it. Oh, I can't wait. I can't wait till the news comes out right now. The driver shot JFK. Holy shit. Oh, man, this is wild. Just run with me. Hey, I just got a question, too, about Mr. Big Balls and Doge. How old were the founding fathers when they wrote the Declaration of Independence? Anybody know? Because life expectancy back then was like, what, 30? People were getting married at 13. I'm trying to figure out, whoa, what? Because they weren't 90? I'm sorry, Maxine Waters, Congresswoman Waters. My bad. How old do you want us to be? Ancient? Bullshit I got to live in. This nonsense I'm living in. Anyway, back to the story. So, guys, this really happened today. I was sitting there. I took my son to get a haircut across town. And I went across town, and I met, and then some guy walks in, okay? And I'm going to tell you right now, I was impressed by this guy because he was right there. He was speaking himself up. We're at the barbershop. Now, guys know about barbershops. If you guys don't know about barbershops, for all you guys out there, I'm not affiliated with the barbershop. All right? I hate dudes that hang out in barbershops. If you're the dude that hangs out in there and you're like, yeah, this is my barber, bro. I put people up there that hang out in barbershops, like up there with dudes that brag about what they grill on the weekends. Like those two dudes, I don't hang out with. All right? And I don't want to hang out with. What'd you do this weekend? Oh, man, I smoked a fat brisket, and then I put some butter on it, and then I put it in the... Nobody gives a shit. In the barbershop, it's no different. But this dude walks in and getting his son a haircut. And he was right there. He's like, yeah, man. And the barber knows him. I've known this barber for 10 years. It's not my barber. It's my son's barber. And I was like, yo, John. It's like, what's going on? He said, man, this dude got a new song he just put out. I was like, oh, he put out some music. Oh, he does music. Oh, cool. I love music. He's like, yeah, man. And then he looks at me and goes, you know, his rap is nice. He's all, but I didn't put it up on my channel because I don't have a following. He got it promoted on another channel. And I was like, I'm like, you ain't got to do that, bro. You just got to grind. You just got to play your shit. And then if it's good, it's banging and it pops. If it's not, it's not, you know, but it's a different type of sound, whatever. And I was like, you know what, bro? I'll give you a view. He don't know who I am. Nobody. I'm nobody, really. He had like 1,000 followers, this guy. But he put it on another channel that had like 80,000 followers or something. The song has 28,000 views in 3 weeks. I thought it was decent. The video was filmed here in the valley where I live, but the video is really good. Like it's really good editing and transitions. Whoever directed this video deserves credit. Now the song is a little, it's a little thuggy. I don't mind that at all. I like it. I don't mind it. I was bumping it in my truck when I got here. But hold on. Nope. Watch this shit. I swear to you, I'll show it to you. I don't mind it. Was it copyrighted? Who knows? I don't care. All right, so the dude's name is this, KB. KB Little Demon. That's his name. He was getting his haircut. His son was getting his haircut, bro. It wasn't even him. He was in there like this, man. I got to go to work 6 days a week. But I was like, man, that's tough. He's like, but I'm just trying to get my song out there. I was like, KB Lil Demon. Let's check you out, KB Lil Demon. I'm going to let the crowd see if they like it. I'm going to let TikTok see if they like it. We'll see who likes it. I didn't mind it at all. I like the video. I like the video more than the song. Because I think the video, man, so whoever directed this shit, man, it's nice. But let's get KB Lil Demon. Let's check him out. Let's give him a view. Tell him who did it. Marantz Rantz. Let's see what we got.
That ain't sure what the fuck is you doing?
Yeah. Yeah, it's KB Lil Demon back up in this bitch. I asked the wall. Best known as the murder team. KB Lil Demon, ho, I know you bitches heard of me. Heard through the grapevine, these pussies wanna murder me. Hop out with a chopper, that's a fully, that's a murder scene. Pistol bang, shots fired, that's a homicide. Always keep that pistol on me, never see my mama cry. Try to go against that West gang, that's just suicide. Bitch, I'm in this shit for life, bitch, this shit do or die. Who am I? Bitch, I'm KB Lil D, and if you ask me where I'm from, bitch, I took a 2-3. I was born in the P, but on the gang, that shit weak. I was raised in the D, where that shit turned me to a beast. Man, let's keep that shit G, y'all ain't nothing like me. Man, let's keep that shit G, y'all ain't nothing like me. Cause it's the woo. Best known as the murder team. KB Lil Demon, ho, I know you bitches heard of me. Heard through the grapevine, these pussies wanna murder me. Hop out with a chopper, that's a fully, that's a murder scene. Activated, in the hood, we block benders. Said he was up in the hood like, nah, never. General, up in my section, a top member. Double back action this season, a cold winter. What you know about living in cells with cold dinners? Free big gangsters, the penny, a dope splitter. In my circle, shooters and killers and go-getters. Bitch, where I'm from on the hood, we cold steppers. Once you step up in this hood, this shit forever. I done see some real G's turn the pussy over some pressure. Hella bitches on my dick, they know I'm next up. Remember all those days I was down, I ran that check up. If I set some shots, fuck a vest, it's from the neck up. Bitch, I love to gamble with life so we can bet up. Fed up, can't trust too many, these pussies fakes. Grinding every day, turn the whoop thing into a range. I ain't never worried about you, vatos, you pussies lames. I ain't never worried about you, vatos, you pussies lames. Cause it's the woo. Best known as the murder team. KB Lil Demon, ho, I know you bitches heard of me. Heard through the grapevine, these pussies wanna murder me. Hop out with a chopper, that's a fully, that's a murder scene.
There he is, KB Lil Demon, and that's the murder team. Song is hot, bro. I like it. Y'all can't stop me. Get at me. I'll play that shit all week. I swear to you. I'll play it all week, all year. Support my local little rappers out here. But yeah, that dude's nice. The dude's nice. The beat's nice. You tell me. It said connect all the dots while the Vato song blast and repeat. There you go. It's not bad at all. Try to tell you guys right here. So definitely got a hard beat. There you go, Don C. Nice. Nice. Yeah. He's a real OG. Respect. I'm telling you right now. It was nice to meet him. He's actually a real down, wholesome guy. Got a nice hook, a nice beat. It was 2 minutes long, maybe too short, but I still liked it, and I let it rip. And, yeah, I'll be bumping that in the streets. You know what it is. All right, guys, welcome back. Welcome back to all the cats out there. Kevin Malone, leave Ryan Cohen alone. You don't know more than he does. I promise you. That's what he does for a living. He's out here getting it. He's getting it. He getting it. Well, he represent Queens. He was raised out in Brook, baby. I want to hit it in the worst way. Look at GameStop kicking ass all day. Here we go. That's the weekly chart, guys, on GameStop. Looking great. Now, I know people want to speculate. They want to have this opportunity to speculate between MicroStrategies. If you're not familiar with MicroStrategies, we'll talk it out, versus what GameStop's doing. Now, if you guys want to give value to MicroStrategies, MicroStrategies is a company that actually buys Bitcoin, and they buy it with every free dollar they have. That does, in turn, what Bitcoiners do, give them value. US dollar value? Makes me laugh. I apologize. Because maybe they don't know what Bitcoin's supposed to do. Right? Bitcoin's supposed to substitute. Bitcoin's supposed to be the reserve currency. Therefore, it's going to make your other currency less. Right? Like it's just going to be worth less. But what do I know? Maybe I'm just a guy who's not chasing his tail because you might get dizzy. George Clinton. But let's go ahead and talk about something beyond that, and we'll look at this, okay? Here's Kevin Malone. Don't lose the facts, big words, confuse you. Oh, my bad, Kevin. Did you want to come on the show right now, Kevin? Or did you want to read the prospectus first? Which one did you want to do? Because you didn't read the bylaws as far as when they need to actually own shares versus when they don't? Hey, Kevin, how about we do this, okay? Kevin, I challenge you to this. Start your own platform, not Twitter followers. Start your own platform where you actually talk on the camera, and let's see you fuck it up all night. And then no one's going to watch you, too. That's the other part about that. But there's a reason why you can't do this. This actually takes talent. You know, where you actually shoot it off the top of the dome? But you? What are you doing? You afraid to show your face? I bet. All right, but hey, I appreciate you coming around. I do. We'll be looking for you, bro. We'll be looking for you. This guy. Do you realize, Kevin, you're not GameStop? Maybe you missed it. Maybe you missed it. You're not GameStop. You're trying to get a job. You're trying to sell some finance courses. You're hoping Ryan needs your assistance somehow. He doesn't. You're wrong about your deadline date. Remember that, okay? You've been wrong. Every time you hustle and you bother them, you've been wrong. Don't worry. It's okay to be wrong. I've been wrong too. I'm just not wrong right now. Thank you. Damn. He subbed that he's here now. Yeah. Oh, yeah, of course. Kevin's been here. Kevin's just holding court for anything that moves on GameStop, except he doesn't know one fucking thing. Hey, Kevin, do me a favor. Do me a favor, Kevin. Go to Twitter, your home, and post all your receipts. I mean, the ones where you buy GameStop shares, no. Not only that, the ones where you buy GameStop merchandise, you know, where you support the company. Show me where you got your cards PSA graded. Show me where you're doing giveaways and you're funding, you're helping out the community. Do all of it, bro. Or are you just Twitter engaging? Like farming for engagement. Are you doing one of these? Hold on. Let me see how many people can like this tweet. You doing that shit? Get out of here. Zero due diligence, Kevin. Zero. When you're putting pressure on Ryan Cohen and Nat Turner and you tweet them. I tell you, I leave you the fuck alone, kid. I let you do what you want. Nah. Not when you tag my people, bro. Keep Nat's name out your fucking mouth and keep Ryan's name out your tweets. You're going to be like the rest of them, dude. Rest of them. You're going to be a fanboy real soon. You're not going to like what they do financially. You're not going to understand what's going on. Like you don't now. Don't worry. No new friends. I didn't need you. I don't want you. Just learn your role. Punk. Don't use the big words. Don't use the big words. This guy. I've forgotten more about private equity than you'll ever know. Honestly. Like, this is embarrassing to me. You should watch Connect the Dots, Kevin. You're a fan, right? You follow me? You watch my videos, you claim? No. Go watch Connect the Dots. Type it in. Connect the Dots, Marantz Rantz. And then when you're done educating yourself, realize how much you spent on a college degree that you didn't have to. My shit's for free. I'm like the public library. As long as you got a membership card, you get in the building, bros. I give you all the fucking answers. I won't charge you a dime. Not a dollar. I'm the people's champ. What are you? Oh, anything you want me to be for $400 an hour. Hire me, please, guys. Ryan is the contractor working on the new project deals. Good job. Karma Farming. This guy's the worst. Not going to lie, when I heard Big Balls was an employee at Doge, I thought Marantz got a gig working for Elon. El Kabong, appreciate you. El Kabong sent a goddamn dog bone to my bro. I got that today. I took it to Tito, and he just chomping on the damn bone, bro. Shout out to this guy who sent me a dog bone, bro. I need more context on Kevin Malone. No, you don't. No, you don't. A Twitter groupie. Is that fine? He constantly posting about any SEC filing that he finds in the Edgar system and not knowing about the actual deadlines, prerequisites, requirements for actual insider ownership. Telling the board of directors that they need to file a Form 4 because they need to show that they own shares. No, they don't. They don't need to do anything. Hey, watch this, Kevin. I'm going to give you the answer to the test, right? I'll give you the answer to the test, bro. And Kevin, just so you know, okay? Answers to the test. They have 5 years to buy shares. 5 years to grab ownership of the company. $275,000 worth of shares is the requirement for any board director. Shocker! You didn't know that. What the hell? How do I know this? It's okay. I have a whole way of telling you, though. I need to tell you, Kevin, in case you fucking forgot. In case you forgot, I got to tell you, welcome back.
Welcome to Marantz Rantz, no advice on finance. Spin the wheel and take a chance. Get an NFT and a little education. The system got undertow, that knowledge is flotation. You wanna learn? Well, you came to right place. You pumping AMC, might get slapped in the face. Get your due diligence, know who the villain is. Don't be a sheep when the shepherd's carnivorous. So come learn, laugh, and maybe you win big. And listen up, y'all, the wheel is not rigged. Everybody get a chance in the live chat. Kyoto spin wheel, you win just like that. Retail fight back and this retail winning. Y'all just wait, man, this is just the beginning. All fellow simians, GME group singing the truth. We just chillin', infinity pool swimming. So welcome to Marantz Rantz. A lot of knowledge but no advice on finance. Don't even need pants, you can tune in naked like Kenny the Mayo Man. Internet's most hated. Don't wanna lose your money, then it's time for you to listen. If you're ignorant, invest in AMC or Superposition. The stream about ready, they told us to don't dance. I do what I want. Welcome to Marantz Rantz. 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 Welcome to Marantz Rantz.
Welcome back. Welcome back. Well, you need to act like you know where you're at. Welcome back to Marantz Rantz. Plenty of good information, a little bit of motivation, a whole lot of truth, no financial advice. Okay, are we done, Kevin? Are we done? See ya! Wouldn't want to be ya. Oh, my God. Do you remember where that's from? Do you know what movie that's from, Kevin? Do you have any idea? That's actually from New Jack City. Yeah. You know, where Pookie was out here. Oh, is it there? Yeah, it's there. My bad. Pookie was out here selling that rock, crack, coke. Oh, my God. Don't do it to him. Last name, enormous. First name, I would tell you what my first name is, but, you know, I want to keep this 100. AMC to the damn, Astrofield. Yeah, it's tough, bro. It's tough. You know, about a little over a year ago, I did a video. If you guys don't remember, it's Unconnect the Dots. I did a video about Rite Aid. I was talking about Rite Aid going bankrupt and why they were going bankrupt. And it had a lot to do with the fact that private equity walked in and started gutting out the coffers. And I said, and the same will happen for CVS and Walgreens. And it's official now. And it's official what I said. It's not just a downgrade on Walgreens. It's not just a reduction in dividend. They have completely suspended their dividend. Walgreens is at the point that they're going to be going bankrupt eventually and or carved out their assets. Remember, these companies, when I say bankrupt, people right away, oh, bankruptcy, I got to see them file, and they got to get their Q, and they got to... No, that's not what I mean. It means that they're on the brink of everything. They have to give themselves up, like what AMC did. AMC is a bankrupt company. They just don't know it, right? No, they literally are down 99% from the previous highs of 3 years ago. It only took them 3 years to lose 99%. I mean, we can do this again. Look at Kohl's. Called that one too. Kohl's is down over 50% just in a year. But I knew that one's going bankrupt. I know that this new one with Sue Gove is going to go bankrupt as well because Ankara is there and they just planted her on there. Another company that you guys got to look at. But as I go through them all and I tell you Big Lots, Party City, you know, there's plenty of them going bankrupt. And why? Because, well, they're manipulated and it's manufactured. The bankruptcy is manufactured, guys. These companies could survive forever. They're not meant to. And I don't want to tell you because I can't spell it out this way, but there are winners in this market. There are winners when things go bankrupt. And that's what you want to focus on. You want to focus on investing into the winners of certain sectors that go bankrupt, and you say, you know, well, here's the surviving companies. So I've been looking at retail for a long time. I've been looking at specialty retail. Like, when I look at it, I looked at these category killers, right? And who were the benefactors of that? Like Amazon, like the big box retail stores. But then we look at something that's in a special category. We look at a company called GameStop. And GameStop doesn't just sell video games, they also sell collectibles, apparel, warranties, hardware, software, accessories. And I said, okay, what can they do different this time? You see, GameStop is currently trading at $24 a share, where they were previously. While they were doing the offerings they were doing these last half year, and they managed to raise $4 billion cash, they're now in the position to offer more shares. Now, when they offer more shares, they have a different platform. They now have a partnership with PSA, and they actually have graded collectibles. That partnership with PSA has been growing. And what's beneficial for GameStop is that PSA raised their prices for getting their cards graded, therefore forcing people to go to GameStop and do business with GameStop, because GameStop did not raise their price. You know why GameStop doesn't raise their price? Because the leverage they have on the rest of the businesses. You see, card shops are going to lose. You're what they call a local card shop, an LCS. A local card shop is going to charge a premium for getting their cards graded. But PSA is basically telling you, we don't want your business. We want it with GameStop. Matter of fact, we're going to raise our prices for you so that you can't make a profit. You'll probably make it somewhere in bulk. But the mom and pop and the common day user can go to GameStop and get their cards graded. If you ever wonder what it looks like, it's something like this. You open up a pack of cards and you pick one. You say, you know what, I'm going to go get it graded. So then you take it to GameStop like I did mine, and I let them grade the card and they send it back to me. I got a Mint card. Mint 9, PSA 9, Venusaur, EX out of the 151s. I opened up my only pack of 151s and I got this bad boy right here. True value. Now, for other cards that I might want to get graded, like a Paul Skeens rookie card, Paul Skeens Red Parallel, Jackson Holiday, I might want to get these cards graded, even a Jackson Holiday Special Forces card. I might want to get these graded one day, and I can. But it's absolutely more cost effective for me to do it at GameStop than it would be doing it at a local card shop. Okay? Amazing cards that I have to get graded. Sure. You guys know that I got 3 of them graded already, gave my daughter one, and I traded in the Brock Bowers to GameStop. Brock Bowers card's worth $100-something already. I'm okay. I love for GameStop to make money off of me. That's what I've been doing for my whole life. You know, I don't know why people complain that GameStop, they only give you back so much value for your traded in games. I go, well, where else would you take them? Are you going to go to eBay yourself and ship it out yourself? Okay, well, then you be the middleman. I'll let GameStop be the middleman. But here's the thing. Here's the best thing. GameStop's share price is all the way down to $24 and some change. That is the equivalent, just so that we're clear, the same price points when Ryan Cohen last bought in. He's right at his cost average over the last 2 buy-ins that he had right now. I don't know if he's going to buy more shares. But GameStop has the ability to announce that they're going to do share buybacks with their own cash if the stock is low enough. With the profits they make, they can either do a dividend payout or a share buyback. Those are 2 options for shareholders. Not that GameStop needs X amount of cash to grow per se, because they're growing within their own operational fund. As you know, GameStop is operationally positive. They actually make a profit operationally. They don't need the cash they have on hand, but the interest itself is going to generate over $200 million per year of interest. You know, you got to look at your cash and you got to write down what's the ratio and what does it do for me? Does it actually work for me, that capital? And for GameStop, it's working on pace and on average, equivalent to Palantir. And when I look at Palantir, they're trading right now at 550 forward PE, or 550 PE versus the 200 PE ratio that's going to be coming out for quarter 1. So if a company is allowed to trade 500x, I'm curious as to what they're going to tell me where GameStop's not valued. When I see a company in the S&P 500 extremely overvalued. Now, I'm also going to be looking at Meta. I'm going to look at Apple. I'm going to look at Alphabet and Amazon. I'm going to look at all of them because I want to know at what point did they become detached from reality? like Tesla was for a long time, where they didn't have the profits, but they had these PE ratios that were just unimaginative. And then you go, oh my God, I could invest into that? Or why would I? So I'm asking you guys, or you can brainstorm it on your own. A month and a half from now, GameStop's going to be the darling of the stock market. Fundamentally. GameStop's going to have so much value per share that $24 a share is going to be what you wish you could get. You wish you could do. And by the way, Kid Caribou, thank you for the $25 super chat. I saw it. I wasn't even paying attention. I apologize. But thank you. I mean, you're making my night worth itself. I appreciate you. Advanced Auto Parts I've talked about before, Whiskey. I don't know if I did a direct connect the dots, but I've talked about how they are private equity and how certain executives from that company are tied into the rest of the world, right, of private equity. I want people to know that lowering yields on a 10-year and maintaining the dollar strength is like the goal for everyone in the world. And you just can't get it. You can't. Even though they're lowering the yield right now, I don't know how they can sustain these cuts and or the direction of the cuts to tell you, hey, we're heading in the right direction because of tariffs or because whatever macro trends. Okay? I already told you, when it comes to geopolicies and macro trends, you want to invest past them. So before I get told that this news about whatever taxes and tariffs are coming out, I say that doesn't matter. It doesn't matter because I want it to translate to the balance sheet itself. And there's only one company, guys. Listen, I want you guys to listen. There's only one company out here that is in retail, excuse me, that has been focusing on domestic numbers, not international. There's only one company that has shortened their footprint in Europe, abroad, and tightened the reins on what they do here in domestically in the United States. What GameStop does in the continental United States is going to fall right under that line of shareholder equity and margin. And what I mean by margin, I'm not talking about your trade margin. I'm talking about gross profit margin. GameStop has gone from 16% gross profit margin just in 2022 alone. In 2022, quarter four, they were at 16%. They're at 29.9 last quarter, 31% the quarter before that, and 27 in quarter one. They are almost double what that percentage was. Last year alone, they were coming in at 25 and 26 every quarter. Quarter four, they came in at around 24. So I think they're going to be about 500 basis points higher. 500 basis points is huge, guys. That's 5% for all you guys out there. 5 additional percent of profit, all while getting tight in the right places. Now, GameStop has done the unthinkable, okay? They have partnered up and done private label figurines where they own the company, the CandyCon controller connection, the actual plushies, right, the actual stuffed animals, they own that company. So they've learned to, and even the warranties, they've learned to put everything under their own title, whether it be private label or not, but the margins are increased when you do it this way. Spoils allowance, margins, everything you want, even inventory control, inventory credits versus what you're not. So here's why GameStop is front loading. If you did not see me, I showed it up on the screen yesterday or 2 days ago, where they actually have prepaid expenses of $115 million, which normally was around $50 million. They're paying their bills in advance. And if you guys remember, they didn't have a cash burn last quarter. The cash burn, they actually had a cash, they were positive flex in cash, but they actually used an additional $70 million in that quarter to prepaid expenses. Guys, they are doing everything right. They are doing everything right to blow this number out of the sky right now. Quarter four, unless I'm wrong, unless I'm wrong on the balance sheet and the actual, fundamentals of the company, which, hey, I've been doing this a long time. Maybe you guys missed it. Maybe you live in a box, but I've been doing this for a very long time as far as mathematics on balance sheets, and I'm telling you how great it's going to be. We're looking for $5 million cash. We're looking for a $400 million cash swing on GameStop. We're looking for profits of over $100 to $200 million annually. We're looking for growth. We're looking for an increase from $6.7 million in total profit for the year last year. We're looking for an 1,800% increase. Those numbers being told to Wall Street should trigger something. It should make your stomach flutter. It should make you understand just how great this investment has been over the last 4 years. I don't need crypto dreams. I don't need pictures on Twitter and secret messages through books. I don't need any of the bullshit. All I need to know is that GameStop is fundamentally better today than it was yesterday. And that's exactly what's about to happen in a month from now, a month and a half from now. Guys, your life's about to change. I know you don't believe it yet. You don't believe it yet. Or maybe you do. But this is bigger than anything you've ever thought of. You guys dream big. I know I dream big. But partnerships and announcements and bottom line improvements, these happen once in a lifetime. Companies transition and pivot and explode once in a lifetime. When you see it, you get excited. When you see it, you go, wait a minute. GameStop had profit last year. GameStop made a profit last year, and it was a swing profit of $319 million. You had adjusted EBITDA of $160 million in the profit. And that was without the PSA agreement. That was without the margins being 500 basis points increased. This is with the one-timers against you. Now you have a full fiscal wrap, inflationary numbers, supply chain shortage issues, everything's behind you, and you're looking at the real, the truth, the hard-hitting number to come hit Wall Street. And a month and a half from now, they're about to be flat on their fucking back. They're going to look up at you. How'd you know? How'd you know? The whole world's going to be asking you that question, guys. How'd I know? How'd I know to get my $20 every day and just throw it away? $20, boom, $20, $20. How'd I know? Because I did the homework. I sat there and I understood what the hell I was reading. I had a calling. I don't know what you guys want to do. I don't know how spiritual you want to get. But there is no doubt on God's green earth what's about to happen with this stock. And whether Wall Street wants to come to grips with it and understand it, I'm going to tell you guys something. You better hope and pray, Wall Street. You better hope and pray Ryan Cohen doesn't offer up more shares for an offering. Because if he does, it's rinse and repeat, babe. It's rinse and repeat. Make more money, offer more shares, get that wealth even bigger. Because the gains keep coming. Oh, I'm so sorry. Did you want the sugar on top? Did you guys want the butter? Did you want the syrup? Did you want it all on top of this French toast? Because the butter, the syrup, the powdered sugar is you. It's Roaring Kitty. It's all of us. Team 51. I'm telling you guys, they don't know you exist. They don't have a fucking clue. Jim Cramer doesn't know. He thinks it's just one or two Reddit guys. I got 1,000 people that'll watch this show that are going to understand. And for all of you that keep calling out Ryan Cohen and calling out Larry Chang and calling out Roaring Kitty and saying, well, explain this, do this. You don't need to explain a damn thing to me. You know what I want people to explain to me? Is how half of you guys out there in Never Never Land call yourself GameStop investors, and you ain't got shit to show for it. You don't follow, you don't watch, you don't support. You just hang out here and there, talk shit on Meltdown. Anybody seen the Meltdown lately? I've been looking for these dudes. Let me go check them out real quick. So, hey, Meltdown, GME Meltdown. Maybe you guys know the website. There's a website right here, a subreddit called the GME Meltdown. GME Meltdown has 57 people. 57 people online. I got more people in my chat right now. How many people are in my chat right now on YouTube? On YouTube, in the chat, 121. How am I beating the Meltdown? They got 34,000 members. I don't have 34,000. What are you guys doing? GME Bottom is in. We call GME Bottom at $10 a year ago. DJT at 10, Trump at 3, IEP at 8. It's squeeze season, baby. This fucking guy, PP Seeds, talking about IEP. Get at $3. This guy was the same guy who's bragging about Bed Bath & Beyond at 20 cents. It's going to go up, Marantz. Hey, are we even in? Is this the GME Meltdown or is this the Bed Bath & Beyond Meltdown? What is this shit? I'm asking. It's all PP Seeds? Huh. Hold on. I'm looking. Hold on. I'm looking. PP Seeds. This is what this is. Huh. Where's the GameStop hate in here? Where's the GameStop hate? PP. It's all PP. What? GME Meltdown, have you moved on? Just asking for a friend. Hold on. Oh, there we go. Call me a bag holder because I have $57 profits. $57 profits. Let's see on my account. Let's see what they say here. Let's see what it says. Yep. Even if we pretend he doesn't have a ton more DRS, where is he down 70%? Is it sad? I'm down 70%. What? $57? How am I down 70%? He doesn't know how to read? Oh, they're mad because I voted for Trump. Oh, man. Marantz is anti-DR. Thank you. They know. Thank you. Marantz is enlightened. Thank you. My whole personality is my $23,000 investment. Yes. They must not know about the channel. He wishes he bought more Costco stock. What? And NVIDIA. Oh, okay, cool. Just here to remind you who's batting 1,000. Yeah, that's me. Oh, these guys, they wish they were me. So I got one post on D and the whole damn Meltdown. Oh, perfect, guys. They left. They forgot about me. Here's this idiot. FYI, Ryan Cohen, you and Nat Turner need to file. What is this? Need to fire your financial filing lawyer. Not only did they file Nat Turner's Form 3 past the due date and cost an impossible $500,000 fine, you also need to be filed $13,000 last week. Oh, my God. And it says, Daniel no more. You're trying to get rid of Daniel Moore, our CFO, acting CFO, not really a CFO, but is that what you're trying to do, Kevin? Are you dying to get a job, Kevin? Look at this guy. Follows you. I bet he does. He's only following 310 people, and I'm one of them. Look at this guy. What a loser. That guy? Calm down, werewolf. Okay? These fangs, you got to put these fangs away. And that haircut, only a mother would love. Oh, shit. By the way, there I am. 23,537? Yep. Marantz is down $140. Oh, he's a bag holder. Marantz the bag holder. Oh. I can't wait for these numbers to come out, guys. I am so excited about these numbers. Forward PE of 137. PE ratio of 145. Oh, I can't wait. Analysts say to sell it. Oh, the price target of $10. That's the one that kills me. Oh, shit. Earnings on March the 25th, allegedly. March the 25th is when they think it's going to happen. On a Tuesday, that's possible. Could be the 18th. But we'll know 10 days before it happens. So I'm excited, though. GameStop just looking healthy. 17 cents a share earnings. I bet that goes up. Anybody think that's going to go up? Wall Street doesn't think so. I'm curious. What do they do? What do they think? Hardware and accessories. I gotta read this stuff. These are the metrics I want to. Collectibles. Collectibles was growing. I wonder what collectibles is now. I wonder how that's going to go down. SG&A's been coming down. Wow. We're at 1.2 now? I remember when 1.5 I thought was it, man. That was going to be hard to get to. We're all the way down to 1.2. I'm excited. But that's not the one I wanted. Forecast is what I wanted. Yeah, I wanted this one. Here we go. Forecast for GameStop, just so that we're clear. It's only one recommendation because there's only one person giving you advice here, Michael Pachter. Michael Pachter's been the only analyst to cover GameStop because he maintains a short position on it. And I wonder when he's going to upgrade his rating here. But financial forecast is what I like to see. Okay, here's what I want. So it's telling me GameStop's forecasted for the quarter. They claim GameStop's going to have 7 cents. Wall Street thinks GameStop's going to have 7 cents earnings for this quarter. Are they serious? Or for the whole year? I apologize. For the whole year. They think GameStop will have 7 cents EPS. Who wants to tell them? They think they're only going to get to 13 cents by 2027. Who wants to tell them? Anybody. EPS this year, GameStop's already up 253%. Who wants to tell them? How about the quarterly numbers? 8 cents a share. That's what you think GameStop's going to come in at? That's the guesstimation? Bro. 8 cents a share. That you mean to tell me you think GameStop at 10 cents a share would be $40 million. You think they're coming in at around $30 million? Interest makes more than that. It's Q4, guys. It's Christmas. What the hell are they thinking? This is perfect. Perfect. You know why? I'm going to show you guys why. This is why this is perfect. Let's go to finance and let's go to income right here and let's go to quarterly income. Okay? I want to show you guys about Q1. This is Q1 of this year, just so that we're clear. GameStop's revenue, $881, right? We know GameStop's around $860 right now. So let's just call it a little less in Q1 than Q1 versus last year, right? But when you look at this number here, and then you look at gross profit, you realize that GameStop's making more profit now, okay, with less revenue. Doesn't matter, better margins, right? So GameStop's actually going to make more profit. But their SG&A came down to $282 versus this $295. So $13 million less in SG&A. And then they made more profit of around $12 million, $13 million. So take the 13, add the 12, that's $25 million more dollars to the bottom line. Guess what their operating income was? Negative 50 for Q1. Take that in half. They'll be negative 25, right? Way more. Watch this. $54 million in interest because of all the cash. So they only made 15 last year. They were going to be negative 25 Q1 coming up. They're going to be negative 25 million. I'm telling you. But you got to add the 35 million more dollars, 40 million more dollars. So let's add 40 million to the negative 25. They're now positive 15 for Q1. They're going to make a positive Q1 total. They'll be positive 15 million and or even more than that. What was it? 15, 35 more, I said? Yeah, so positive 15 million. So they're going to be positive 15 million on income. And right here, they were negative 30. So your trailing 12 is going to increase and switch an additional like $45 million, $50 million. I'm telling you, I'm here. I'm here for you, all of you. 60 million, 50 million. It's going to be a good swing. Boom. So now we're, instead of just $100 million profit, we're going to have $160 million. I mean, you guys got to think, it's $60 million swing. We're going to be 160 on trailing 12. And then you're going to go to the next month, okay, the next quarter, and this next quarter here is going to have the same improvements on operating expenses, top line revenue. However you get there, then you're going to have the interest number, an additional $15 million. And when you go to an additional $15 million, now where are you at on net income? You're looking at 15 more, so you're looking at 30 million. So now you're looking at about 75 million more dollars. And that's just based off of the business they did last year. It means GameStop for 2026, after, when they're announced, they're already going to be at $200 million. And I'm not even adding in PSA year-round, better margins, all the other good stuff GameStop's been doing all year. So they're literally going to be making $250 million every year. Just, boom, like clockwork. And as they get better, did I mention that there's going to be a Switch 2 come out? Did I mention there'll be more Pokemon cards? Did I mention San Andreas will be coming out? Or whatever it's called, this Grand Theft Auto 6? Things are going to keep releasing. It's just going to keep happening. It's going to be amazing. And people are going to be here. You only made $6 million. They're going to be up there 300, 400, $500 million a year. Yeah. What's your profit margin then? Oh, hold on, guys. Hold on. And we're not even talking about growth yet. We're not even talking about the expansion of getting the buildings in the right spots where you want them and you need them. No. You'll see. It might just accelerate the footprint. It might accelerate the turnaround. But I'm letting you know the common math right now. Quarter one, we're looking to run a profit for quarter one. Something they haven't done. Look at this quarter one. Quarter one has always been negative, right? But you know what? Operating income negative $50 million. Quarter one over here, negative $72 million. Quarter one over here, negative $120. Over here, negative $40. Negative $104 million. They're going to be positive. Positive on quarter one. Dude, Wall Street has to know. If they don't, they should by now. Look at that Michael Jordan card. I actually had this card when I was growing up. And it was a good card. GTA 6 release is a myth at this point. September. Allegedly, they're going to be letting us know. I had this card growing up. I didn't know it was going to be worth $122. $129. Holy shit. Right here, market price at $136. I didn't know. Man, we were throwing that card around, me and Reek. All because it had all the stats in the background. Yeah, Michael Jordan, we never liked him, bro. We never liked him. Nope. We're Kobe guys. I'm a Kobe guy, and then I'll deal with Luka. I'm Luka right now, babe. I actually have a reason to watch basketball. Shout out to Luka. There we go. A little Disney card for $300. Nope. CeeDee Lamb rookie card. Woo, man, for $82. I like that. $10 for Drake London. Not a bad card. Not a bad card. Anyway, well, you guys want to talk basketball? Oh, I'm so sorry. There's only 1,600 cards here, guys. Oh, my God. They keep selling them. They just keep going. 1,600. They had 4,000 at one point. And they had 2,800 the other day, and now it's down to 1,600. Who bought 1,200 cards? I want to know. I want to know if he really loves me. I'll keep reading the chat. I got to read the chat. I got to catch up. Oh, yeah, sorry. Yeah, sorry that you guys didn't know about Kevin Malone. He says, what part of Grand Canyon, north or south? I'm not a gang member. I don't know what to claim. Shout out to Willie Bobo. I agree. Shout out to Willie. No, we checked it out. It's a 6-hour drive from where I live. So I've got to find a way to get there and back for work, and I'm trying my best. I'm going to figure it out. You know, AMD is out here, and it's down 52% since March. And in March, just so that we're clear, I'll show you some charts here. Let's go to the charts, guys. So right here on the screen is here, but I want to talk about AMD. Advanced Micro Devices. Now, AMD made a lot of graphic cards and CPUs, and I don't know, do they even make GPUs? Yeah, they do. So they've done a lot, though, back in the day. So as you can see, they peaked. So this is on the weekly chart. This is on the daily, but here's the weekly. And they had peaked out at 227 right here back in March of last year. From that standpoint of 227, they've lost 50%, almost 60%, 58% of their market cap. They've lost everything in the world. And you ask yourself, why? Well, from that moment to now, you've seen super microcomputers and you've seen NVIDIA pump themselves, do share buybacks, and pump their own price all the way through the moon. Using related parties, using round tripping, everything you see. Well, this company here has come back down to earth, but it's still 100% higher than where it was right here in 2022 during the lows of the market when we were in a recession, and they didn't want to tell you. But you're still looking at a good value at 107, 106. I think it's a great price to get in at, me personally. But I'm not buying it. I just don't buy. I don't buy anything but GameStop. I'm just letting you know that they're now trading down. They've lost more than $175 billion worth of market cap. So you should know when companies lose this much money, and it should be called out. You know, I'd say the same thing about Palantir. Palantir has to lose. There's just no way. Like, even here, this P ratio 43, it looks pretty good. Trailing 12 PE is 107, and their price to book is around $35 a book. They're 3 times book, right? Like, that's at a downturn. I mean, they've come all the way down to the ground. Nothing going for them. That's AMD, and market cap is $175 billion. But when you look at Palantir, Palantir has a market cap of 252, all-time highs, just going through the roof, crazy. They were just $5 a year ago, and now you're telling me 2 years ago they were $5. Now they're 116, 110, and everybody thinks it's worth it? No, the book value on this damn stock is $2. $2? No, that can't be right. It's $50 per book because they got $5 billion. How could I forget? So they're around $50 on shareholder equity. Is that right? No, I'm wrong. They're $2 a share. They're $2 a share because they have 2 billion shares. How could I ever forget? They're trading 50 times book value. 50 times book. No. This thing's so grossly overpriced. Their PE ratio is 587. 587. No way. They don't make any profits, guys. They don't make enough profit. I'll put it that way to actually represent a $250 million company. This is crazy. No way. These ones, like even Costco stock right now, I'm looking at it. There's no volume here. It's strong as God. It's strong as hell, guys. Dividends a little. I wish dividend was more. Can I tell somebody? I don't know. Take-Two. They took a bump after Kramer named them, and then, of course, they come out and they announced their earnings, and, yeah, we're getting ready for Grand Theft Auto. Look at them. From 186 all the way to 208, through the roof. Oh, I'm sorry. They don't even make a profit. Why would I buy them? You didn't know that? This is the part where like I get very frustrated with people because they don't know about these companies that don't make profits yet. They get told to buy them. And you're just like, what the hell? So you can go here like this. And it's going to be 2, I believe. Take-Two Interactive Software. It's a company that just went up all the way through the moon. And when you look at the overview here, you're going to find out they have revenue of $5 billion. They have a market cap of $36 billion. Their net income, financials, this is wild to me, but it's okay. Gross profits here, SG&A's here, research and development's here, operating expenses here, total. They actually lose $239 million. Trailing 12. They lose money quarterly. They're losing massive amounts every quarter. Why? Because they're making a video game, and I guess eventually it's going to go up. I guess eventually this company will go up. But the gross profit margins are there. They have profit margins beyond belief, but what? They can't. You can't make it. What's the balance sheet look like for these guys? They got cash, $1 billion. They're here. Total current assets, $12 billion in total assets. Most of it is goodwill right here. Goodwill, intangible assets, other intangible assets. Their liabilities are $6 billion, and they have tons of shareholder equity, $5.7 billion. Sounds like GameStop in a way. So they have tons of money there. I'm curious if their video games ever really made them money, though, right? Look at this retained earnings. They have lost $3.3 billion. This game better be amazing. This game better be everything you want it to be. Because their debt is $3 billion. I'm nervous for them, guys. I'm nervous for them. I really am. But we'll see. We'll see if we're right or not. I'm all about GameStop. I'm not about these companies. I can't buy these companies. How's this company worth $37 billion? Don't make a profit. Don't have enough cash. It's a strong buy, according to analysts. Yeah, I bet. Who were the analysts? Forecast. Look at the forecast on this. 240 high, 170 low. Recommended trends. There's 23 analysts giving you ratings on this damn thing. 22 analysts. All of them that say buy, hold, and strong buy. Everybody, Michael Packer, right here, reiterates a buy at 215. Just sick to my stomach. I just don't know what to do with these guys. All because, oh yeah, GameStop's going to sell their game. Keep going. I don't care. You guys know where to find me. You guys didn't even see what I'm looking at, huh? Right here. Take two. These guys. Michael Packer. Giving you a recommendation of buy. Boom. 22 right here. 22 analysts tell you what the damn company is. Yeah, we only have one. You guys don't ever think that's weird? Like, you guys, I don't care what company you guys name, right? Like, look at GameStop. GameStop only has one analyst. That's the part that pisses me off. They only have one analyst. It's Michael Packer and always has been for the last 13 years, telling you this company's going to fail. It's going to go bankrupt. I mean, let's go look at AMC. I'm just curious. AMC, terrible company, by the way. And they have 7 analysts. And one's a hold? Who the 5 are hold? Who lied to you? Eric Handler, the same guy over there on that one? Wow, you guys are, and Mike? Hold? What in the hell? At least McQuire's telling the truth. McQuire right here from Australia. But what the maintains? Upgrades? Roth, MMK. You, Eric Hadler, bro. You're a bitch. Oh, man. Wait till I see these guys. He upgraded them to neutral. You're a liar, dude. Oh, man. I can't wait till I find these guys. It's okay. So don't let me get too excited tonight. I don't want to get too fired up. Oh, man. All right, let me read the chat. I can't. I'll just go crazy right now. Thank you so much, TikTok, for hanging out with me as long as you guys have. TikTok's the hard crowd. You know, I don't really hang out on TikTok too much, but I do my best. Anyway, I was reading a whole bunch of things, and they were talking about how top-heavy the market is. I said, yeah, what else is new? Just get ready for it all to come crumbling down one day. Who knows? You know, Meta's won 15 days in a row. Meta stock, let's go see Meta for a little bit. Meta has had a green day 15 days in a row. Meta is now $714 a share. Meta is coming to you year to date. Last year, that's year now, 1 year ago, they were trading at around $400 something dollars. So they just right now, and this is since January 14th. Remember what happened? I'll just use January 14th, okay, right here. January 14th. When did DeepSeek get announced and it all went crazy? I'll do it this way. So they went from, I got to see it, 594 to 714. So they made 120. That's 10, 25, 20. Yeah, about $20, right? So they did $120 a share. Cool. Let's look at NVIDIA really quick. I think we're going to crack the case here. NVIDIA on the year to date, which is fine. NVIDIA was on the way up here on the 6th, 7th, 13th, 14th, right there. So NVIDIA lost it all, right there, boom. Then they had that fake out, and then they really lost it all, everything. Okay, cool. So NVIDIA loses on market cap, just so that we're clear. They are market cap of $3.18 trillion. They lost $600 billion dollars of market cap. Cool. Meta is now at 1.81 trillion market cap. And they have how many shares? They have 2.5 billion. I'm so sorry. So Meta has 2.5 billion shares. They go up 500-ish, $500 billion, a little more than 500 billion because it was 20 additional, 550 billion. So NVIDIA loses 550 billion and Meta gains 550 billion. I mean, so what do we do? Does anybody need me to explain that one? I was showing you right here. I was showing you on the yearly chart. Apologize. That Meta has gone from the days that DeepSeek was announced. They went up right here. Boom. In market cap, they went up 550 billion. And Nvidia came down 550 billion. So what did we do, Wall Street? What did we do? Did we really lose, or did we just transfer? Did we just move money around? How did Meta gain all of Nvidia's losses? Round tripping. I know. It's that great. It's that great. It's really that easy though. Maybe I'm crazy. Read the chat. Tell me what you think. You guys want to come into the chat? I don't care. It says Epstein files coming soon. I heard. We'll see how it all goes. Put big balls on Mount Rushmore. Okay. Doge is the Jedi Force of Ross Perot. Is he really? I'm down with Ross Perot. That was my guy back in the 90s. My dad loved him. My dad actually voted for him, if I'm not mistaken. You tell him, great to see you, Marantz. Thank you. You tell him, okay, cool. Thank you, guys. I know what that meant, but I got you. Carter's Corner Pocket in the place to be. Thank you, Carter. Appreciate you. All my people out on the East Coast, I apologize. I know you're up late right now, like 2 in the morning. My bad, bros. Everyone else around the world and country, I'm so sorry, guys. I just felt like doing a live chat stream, and I got to see what's going on here, so I apologize. Definitely got a hard beat. Oh, yeah, that track? Yeah, man, the track's hard. Yeah, I like it. It's a good song, has a nice hook, sounds beat. Yes, thank you. Hit the damn like button, guys. Well, thank you. Oh, yeah. Kevin Malone. Trying to tell me that I don't know how to read big words, he said. Don't let those facts and big words confuse you. Kevin, I want you to watch Connect the Dots. Just do that. Just educate yourself. And then when you realize who educated you, put some respect on it. Embarrassing. Voiceover was good, decent beat. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, I like the editing of the video. Thanks. Bitcoin is just another meme coin. I'm not a big fan of Bitcoin. I won't be doing it. Kevin, my DD is better than your rookie. Yeah, we know that part. He said, read it out loud. How could I? Why would I? Read it out loud. Go chill with Ian Carroll and PP Seeds. There you go. Now you understand. Ryan is the contractor where, yes, he is. The more context, yeah, you won't get it. I was wrong once, but I got a divorce, so I'm good now. No. The way it goes is I've been wrong once in life when I thought I was. There you go. Oh, just another Mikey Money type of fool. Yes, that's what he is, without a doubt. Thank you guys so much. I own more shares than Kevin Malone. I think we all do. We have 51. Get at me. AMC is trash. Yes. What do you say? Hey, AMC to the moon. Oh, here you go. Here you go. You'll never see that person again. Isn't that awesome? I just get rid of them forever. You never have to see them again. I'm going to break up with Kevin Malone's mom on Valentine's Day. Oh, man, it's hilarious, bro. Yeah, this guy repeating himself 20 times is not going to get him heard. Marantz Ranch for kitchen tendies should be a thing. Yeah, except it's not. No more safe space that ended with Biden. That's funny, bro. AMC is still in business? How? We don't know. Yeah, those guys smell like soybeans? That's pretty good. Amber, great to see you. Hope you're having a wonderful evening, I guess. Sure. Well, she's probably asleep now, bro. She had to go to bed, bro. I'm down. Marantz is amazing. Oh, my God. Connect the Dots, never caught alive. Okay, cool. Great times. Appreciate you. You've watched a lot of Connect the Dots. Oh, that's pretty cool. Just tuning in, Marantz. Mentioned the Sailor Ryan Cohen pick. I did mention it to tell you I don't care. Kevin, seriously, bro, what the F? Very disappointed. I'm more than disappointed. That kid lost me forever. What do you think profit is going to be for quarter four? Profit, Goldie? Yes, honey. I'm almost done. I promise. No, he was in here. He was with Aiden. Oh, yeah, no, he was with them. Well, Binks is missing. I got to go get him. What do you think profit's going to be quarter four? Profit for this quarter, anything over 100 million. I'm looking for over 100 million, but I'm more closer, 100, 120, 150. Who knows? Bro yelling at me like I did something wrong. Yes. Dollar cost average gang is here. The passion is amping me the hell up. Spin the Vato song again. We vibing. Yeah, no. I played it. You're good. Paul, you're going to get there. There we go. Sad boy hours. Flex the graded slabs on us. I give them all away. Damn, my comments probably don't make sense. I'm watching like an hour behind. Don't worry about Psycho Puppet. Don't worry, homie. We got you. Little baby Joker, Holmes. But they're watching you now. Yeah, they are. Hey, brother, calling you. Chilling with you. Thank you. Speed's a little slow. I assume it's sound effects. Sure. Kevin Malone. How you doing? Yeah, Kevin all alone. Can you imagine? They must not know how about much. Nope. Come on. Get your crap together, Kevin. There you go. Sorry, had to recycle the laptop. There you go. Crycon needs to fight off, Silver Lake, Michael X, and the Boston Consulting Group back in 20. Oh, that's cool. Good for him. Yao Ming was my hero, and I'm Asian American. Also, Jeremy Lin. And Linsanity was it, bro. Linsanity was the truth. That's all I can tell you. What happened to Zellers, Marantz? You talking about Zell's? Zell's Jewelers? They got bought out by Signet Jewelers. That's what happened. But there was so much going on. You should watch Connect the Dots. I got a lot of that in there. 300 cars sent to PSA by GameStop just in a month. PSA partnership is going to be huge. Yeah, once everybody figures out what it is. Grand Theft Auto, there we go. Fintel, tremendous buying of GameStop, including BlackRock. Yeah, I don't care. See, there you go, 110. Hey, 110, you do this all the time, bro. Say some bullshit that doesn't matter. BlackRock buys every company. They buy a certain amount of shares because they have an allotment per company about what they need to own, the percentage. So when the float gets increased, that's what they got to do. They got to buy more shares. When people want to increase and the price goes up, they got to increase their allotment based off of what's the value, things like that. Don't worry, bro. You'll be all right. Just buy more GME. Take two other games are actually really big failures. There we go. Silver Lake is involved with Dell, NVIDIA, ARMS, Ava. Oh, there you go. Broadcom and Supermicro. Cool. They're floated. They are floated by GTA Online. Oh, cool. That one analyst is probably Jim Cramer. And no, it's not. It's always Michael Packer, bro. Team No Sleep, absolutely. Thanks for all the work, man. You're welcome, Jay. Always, Jay. Team 51. Ernie's can't wait up all night. Yeah, I got you. All right, guys. I'm going to get about here. I just came here to let you know Kevin Malone pissed me off, so I just want to let him know. And don't worry, Kevin Malone. I got the track for you. It's called Murder Team, bro. And you know what it is. They want to kill me. This might be my new theme song, bro. I like this shit. Get at me. My boy, KB Lil Demon. I met him at the barbershop tonight. The kid's nice. Peace.
Look, that ain't sure what the fuck is you doing?
Yeah. Yeah, it's KB Lil Demon back up in this bitch. I is the woo. Best known as the murder team. KB Lil Demon, ho, I know you bitches heard of me. Heard through the grapevine, these pussies wanna murder me. Hop out with a chopper, that's a fully, that's a murder scene. Pistol bang, shots fired, that's a homicide. Always keep that pistol on me, never see my mama cry. Try to go against that West gang, that's his suicide. Bitch, I'm in this shit for life, bitch, this shit do or die. Who am I? Bitch, I'm KB Lil D, and if you ask me where I'm from, bitch, I took a 2-3. I was born in the P, but on the gang, that shit weak. I was raised in the D, where that shit turned me to a beast. Man, let's keep that shit G, y'all ain't nothing like me. Man, let's keep that shit G, y'all ain't nothing like me. Cause it's the woo. Best known as the murder team. KB Lil Demon, ho, I know you bitches heard of me. Heard through the grapevine, these pussies wanna murder me. Hop out with a chopper, that's a fully, that's a murder scene. Activated, in the hood, we block benders. Said he was up in the hood like, nah, never. General, up in my section, a top member. Double back action this season, a cold winter. What you know about living in cells with cold dinners? Free big gangsters, the penny, a dough splitter. In my circle, shooters and killers and go-getters. Bitch, where I'm from on the hood, we cold steppers. Once you step up in this hood, this shit forever. I done see some real G's turn the pussy over some pressure. Hella bitches on my dick, they know I'm next up. Remember all those days I was down, I ran that check up. If I said some shots, fuck a vest, it's from the neck up. Bitch, I love to gamble with life so we can bet up. Fed up, can't trust too many, these pussies fakes. Grinding every day, turn the whoop thing into a range. I ain't never worried about you, vatos, you pussies lames. I ain't never worried about you, vatos, you pussies lames. Cause it's the woo, best known as the murder team. Can't be little demon hoe, I know you bitches heard of me. Heard through the grapevine, these pussies wanna murder me. Hop out with a